Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic audio states. Make sure your device volume is up and the mute switch is off. Next, open Facetime and select the audio source, speaker, Bluetooth, or wired headset, so you control where sound should go. Once done, close background audio apps that might steal the microphone or speaker. If wireless audio still fails, briefly toggle airplane mode and then re-enable Wi-Fi. This resets network audio handoffs and often clears routing glitches. You now dig into permissions and hardware. Open settings to confirm FaceTime is allowed to use the microphone because blocked permissions prevent sound capture. Test the mic with voice memos to isolate software versus hardware issues. If levels are low, try a different cable or gently clean the headset port or lightning connector. Once you've confirmed mic function, disconnect Bluetooth devices, restart the device to clear resource locks, and then join a fresh FaceTime call to evaluate audio performance. Finish by ensuring software is current. Update iOS or Mac OS because system updates often fix FaceTime audio codecs and routing bugs. If problems persist, reset network settings to restore correct audio routing and DNS behavior, but be ready to re-enter Wi-Fi credentials. Make a final call test using a wired headset or the device speaker as a fallback, and make sure you're in a quiet spot. If audio still cuts out, try the wired option. That isolates Bluetooth and Wi-Fi as the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.